The following tutorial explains the improved connectivity between DS Core and CEREC 531 and PrimeScan 2. Let's begin. This update allows you to open PrimeScan 2 scans directly in CEREC, enabling in-house manufacturing workflows and more. Scans transferred from DS Core to CEREC software includes patient information, treatment details, and preparation margins, allowing you to continue your work where you left off. We will begin by creating a treatment if it has not been done yet. For more information about treatments, you can watch our tutorial on this topic. Next, we will select the scan and open in CEREC software to continue designing the crown. Select the material for your crown and choose the appropriate manufacturing equipment to proceed. The AI margin feature in DS Core enables you to bypass the model phase, allowing you to proceed directly with the design process. To save your design in DS Core, simply select Export to DS Core after completing your design work. DS Core opens automatically, displaying your design in the 3D viewer. The design is then attached to the treatment, ensuring a consistent record of the case. And that's it! Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.